Let's see, let's start off the number 6. Today, we're going to be talking about tally marks. Now, we talked a little bit yesterday about them, but we're going to review today. So a tally mark is a way to show an amount of a number. So I have the number 6 up here. And if I were to show the number 6, let's say I wanted to show you in the form of a picture. Let's say I wanted to draw 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That took a little while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one way I can show the number 6. Tally marks makes a way that's easy and quick to show how much 6 is. So a tally mark is like a little line. So this is 1 tally mark. That represents 1. Now if I do another 1 right next to it, that represents 2 tally marks. If I keep going, remember we need to get to 6. 3 tally marks. 4 tally marks. Now, we have a special rule. When we get and make a group of 5, we don't do another straight line. We start at the top and we have to cross it. We're like making little groups of 5, like we do when we make a group of 10 with our straws each day. Today, we're gonna make groups of 5. And so this line going across is kind of like wrapping it up into a little group of 5. So we know we have 5. Then once we pass 5, we keep counting with our straight lines. 6. Stop. We've represented 6. So when if I see this, I know this is a group of 5, and then it's kind of like adding one more to make the number 6. So this is 6 tally marks. Let's reach in here. I have some other numbers in here. Let's make the number 5. Okay? So I knew this is what number 6 looks like. Now let's make 5 with tally marks. So I know we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I to get to 4? When I get to 5, I need to cross. This shows our number 5. Let's try one more. What about our number 3? 3. Okay, let's see just with tally marks. Remember our straight lines. 1, 2, 3. That's it. I don't need to cross. I don't need to add any more on. 3 tally marks straight up and down in a row represents our number 3. Now I'm going to do something. I'm going to add the number 1 in front of each of these and create a 2-digit number. So let's start with the number 6 here. We had 6. I'm going to add a 1 in front of it. Now, I'm going to grab my eraser. I'm going to erase our flowers up here. What number is this now? It is 16. Let's make 16 tally marks. So we had 6. Let's keep counting. 7, 8, 9. We're almost going to make it into a group of 5, so we need to cross it. 10. So now we have 10. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14. We need to make another group of 5. We got to cross it. 15, and then we got to get to 16. 16, we add one more. So if I were to see all these tally marks and I didn't know what number it was, and I was to ask you, how many tally marks is that? You could, there's 2 ways to count it. You could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That would take a long time. Or you could just count by 5s, because we've put our tally marks in groups of 5. So it's kind of like counting our nickels. 5, 10, 15, and we add one more, 16. This is our 16 tally marks. Now what if I take my 1 and I move it over here to 15? Let's make 15 tally marks. We already have 5, so let's keep counting. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm sorry, 5. Let's make make 15. let's make 15 tally marks. I started at 5, now we're gonna keep counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and our last one's gonna cross for 15. Now if I, like I said over here, if I didn't know how many tally marks were here and I just crossed off the top, what are you gonna do? Count 5 fives. 5, 10, 15. And lastly, let's move our little guy over here. What if I need 13 tally marks? I have 3, let's keep counting. 4, cross for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, cross for 10, keep counting, 11, 12, 13. We're gonna stop, we're not gonna cross on the last group because we're stopping at our number 13. So boys and girls, you're gonna see today on your paper, it's gonna give you that number and you're gonna make those tally marks. Just like we practiced up here in groups of 10, you're also gonna count the tally marks and tell me what the tally marks, what number they represent. Now, boys and girls, on the back of our paper, we're gonna get to introduce a new fact family. We get to talk about the 13 fact family. So don't worry if you're still practicing 12s, that's okay. Keep on practicing them. We're gonna slowly introduce our new 13 fact family. So what I want you to do is I want you to go around the house and collect 13 different objects. It could be food, it could be pretzels, it could be cubes, it could be stuffed animals. Whatever you want, collect 13 animals or 13 objects, and then let's go look and practice our 13 fact family. To practice our 13 fact family today, we are going to use some M&Ms. So you can use whatever you want at home. You just need 13 objects. It could be 13 marshmallows, it could be 13 pretzels. If you have cubes, you can use 13 cubes. Miss Jam chose to use 13 M&Ms. So let's make sure I have the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So today we're only going to focus on the addition problems that equal up to our whole number of 13. So we're going to use these different M&Ms today to show our different addition problems. So to start out with, let's get this up. We're going to do 1. I'm going to separate it. 1 plus 12, we're going to write it down as we go. 1 plus 12 equals 13. That's one of our fact problems. I'm going to put them back together. Let's try another one. What if I separate it by taking 2 away now? Then I'm going to go 2 plus, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2 plus 11 equals 13. Let's try another fact. Put them back together. Let's separate, how about, let's move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start with an addition problem with 5 and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Now let's move it back together. What if we do 4? Let's move 4 over. Let's erase this. 1, 2, 3, 4 M&Ms. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 M&Ms equals 13 as our whole number. Let's try, let's see, let's move all of these over here. Let's see how many that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M&Ms plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 M&Ms equals 13. Now, boys and girls, you know when we're doing our addition facts, we can do the opposite fact and it means the same thing. So if I did 8 M&Ms plus 5 M&Ms, I could also flip it. I could put 5 on this side. I could take these 5 and scoot them over here. And I could take these 8 and scoot them over here. And I could do 5 plus 8 to equal 13, and it's exactly the same. We are able to flip our facts only when we add to equal our whole number. All right, let's try one more. You keep doing these at home. You could separate them and separate your different objects into any different amounts that you would like. Let's see. Let's move all these over to this side and those over here. All right, let's see what this fact is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Awesome job. Now, boys and girls, I want you to keep practicing. 13 fact families is a big number to work on and to practice memorizing. It's okay if at first and for a little while you can't memorize them all in your head. I want you to use different objects at home that you have to move around and keep practicing. Maybe use jelly beans. Maybe use different cubes if you have at home, or different objects that you have to practice this fact family. It is okay if it's a little more challenging to memorize. Just keep working with different objects at home to practice this fact family. Great job today, first grade. I am missing you. Keep up the good work at home, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye, guys.